Have you ever had someone send you a picture of what they're eating and all of a sudden you have this massive craving all week long? Well, that happened with us this last week with Filipino spaghetti. And so we decided that we're just going to try to make it for the first time at home. Hey guys, I'm Jason. I'm one half of Jason and Angie. And if you're new to this channel, we'll be sharing with you some of our favorite recipes, some of our adventures as homebodies, and potentially some of our deepest, darkest secrets. So if you're into that kind of stuff, or you're just plain nosy, then consider hitting the subscribe button. So if you're wondering who sent the picture to us, it was actually my sister. Thankfully, she also sent me the recipe. We were actually craving Filipino spaghetti so much that we had Jollibees Filipino spaghetti twice this week. The first time Angie went to Jollibees by herself, she didn't let me know, but when she came home, she would share a few bites with me. The second time, which was the very next day, I actually went with her to Jollibees this time, and we finished an entire family pack of spaghetti, just the two of us. We're excited to finally make this recipe and excited to share with all of you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. have it, that's our first attempt at making Filipino spaghetti. It was quite satisfying for our first time, and I think we'll probably be revisiting this once our cravings come back. If you have any tips or secrets on how to make the best Filipino spaghetti, please leave a comment below so that way we can try it next time. And also, if you found this video to be entertaining, go ahead and smash the like button. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.